What's going on, my glorious peeps? Yep, SEMO-MAC. I'm here at it again. Got something that came in the mail I think you're really gonna like, because I know I like it. So this is what I got. A box. No, I'm just joking, y'all. So if you have been following me, you know I have done a review on some coins from the Create Mint. And we got to talking, and they sent me another one. Right here it is. So, same box, different coins. But, like I said before, I love how these boxes are made. They're beautiful. The stain dried on them, the color of the American flag on them. They're just a really good quality, pretty much a container for them. So let's get down to it, because these things are amazing. I'm gonna tell you that right now. I thought the first ones were great. This was even better. So these coins are for our veterans. They are a thank you for your service for our veterans. That is the theme for this one. It is still in the line of the 250-year anniversary for the United States. So this is honoring 250 years of freedom. And we would not have that freedom if it wasn't for our men and women and our veterans. I mean, they have pretty much gave their life to protect this land that we live in. So so let's get to this, because these are awesome. So first off, you get your little card. It has everything on there. Pretty much lets you know that, you know, 250 years of freedom has never been free. And that is so much truth to that is ridiculous. There's so much truth in that. You also, on the back of it, is where, like I said before, you have your number to show the number of the mint of these coins. It also has some more reading on the back of it as well. So you get that. Now we get down to the coins. So I'm just going to let you look at these in the display box, and then I'll get them out. These things, yeah, I'm telling you what, y'all, the craftsmanship on this stuff is just crazy. They are gorgeous. So let's see where the little piece is here, so I can get these jokers out, because when they put them in there, sometimes they are in there. But I don't got no nails. There we go. So we are starting this bad boy off, and dear Lord, God, these things are beautiful. So on this side, you got the honor, serve, and strength, and it has your military veteran with that American flag. And I'm telling you what, this video does not do this justice, but it pops like a son of a gun. These are so beautiful. I mean, dadgummit. These are your veterans stand strong, and that is the God's honest truth on that. On the back of it, we got honoring our veterans, the legacy of service. And look at that. Just the detail, how the coin is raised, so it gives you that 3D effect. The color schemes of this is just crazy. I mean, oh God, they're so beautiful. And you know, a little bit about these coins, they base this off like of the tradition of the military challenge coins. That's kind of what these are kind of based off of, kind of your designs and stuff like that. So yeah, they knocked it out of the park on this. I mean, whew, man. And let's go for our second one on here. Just the themes they come up with. I mean, this year being really a great year for all of this. Like I said, the 250th anniversary. I can only imagine what they're going to continue to do this year on these. And if I can get them, I'll bring them to you. But on this one, this is a thank you, U.S. veteran, for your service. And look at that right there. Get that really close for you. That eagle on there. I mean, you got your American flag in the background. And one thing I did not notice until just a little bit ago, if you look under where it says the U.S. veteran, that is dog tags that they have put in there. I actually thought it was part of the eagle, but it's actually dog tags. And I'm trying to see, my eyes are so bad, but it says honor and duty. If that ain't fitting, I don't know what is. On the back of this, it is honoring those who served. It's got your years on here, and it is the eagle talon with the Liberty Shield that says freedom across there. I mean, just look at the details. I mean, I keep saying the same thing, but I mean, I can't help it. It's just the craftsmanship of these things are awesome, and they got some weight to them too. But you know, if you are a collector and you know you collect stuff like this would be something that you, in my opinion, I think you would want, because of the history, the 250 years. Also, if you've got a family member that's a veteran, you know, these would be a great keepsake that you can get them, birthdays, anything like that, you know, just to honor the veterans that you know. With that being said, you know, like I said, these would be great for gifts, stuff like that. I am very grateful that Create Mint sent this out to me. And no, I have not served. I couldn't. I had some knee problems, so I couldn't enlist or anything like that. But I do have somebody in mind. I will just be upfront with you. I will not be keeping these. This is actually, I'm probably going to end up, there ain't no probably, I'm going to. This will be gifted to another person, which is a veteran, who I think highly dear of. I mean, they are very, very close to me, and I think it's just the right thing to do, because number one, I didn't serve, and this person did, and I think they deserve it. So that's where these are going. Hopefully they will enjoy it as much as I do, because the beauty of these things are amazing. What they stand for means even more. So, but yeah, Create Mint, great job. Y'all knocked this out of the park. But give y'all a last little close-up of it here as I am finished. Like I said, box knocks out of the park to hold them in. Got your nice little clasp on there. So, but hey, with that being said, y'all, 4th of July is coming up. This is, what, the 29th that I'm shooting this. So 29th of June, we got 4th of July coming up this Saturday. So, hey, hope all y'all will be safe. Remember what it's about, and let's celebrate the 250 years of our freedom. Okay. So with that being said, always be kind. Y'all don't understand how far that goes some days. And as always, I hope y'all have a great day. This is SEMO-MAC, and I'm out. Peace.